Hi everyone and welcome to this new tech unboxing. Today we are opening the Maono Podcasting Microphone Kit. This is a condenser cardioid microphone, and on the box we can see the reception and frequency mapping as well as many more specs. But I know you aren't here for specs, so let's just open it up and see the microphone itself. I haven't looked inside of the box either, so it is a first for me too. So the box comes surrounded by this paper case, which will just slide off. And when opening the box itself, it was a little bit tight, but I guess it's better for protection and stuff. And it makes it feel a little higher quality. First we see this protection foam, followed by, you guessed it, instructions, which we don't need, so yeah, just forget about them. We got some silica balls for humidity, and finally the microphone itself. It comes in this plastic bag, and as you can see here, it is a fully metal build, so it feels actually very good quality for the price. And on the bottom here we have the USB Type B connection for the USB cable. Underneath this solid cardboard we have the pop filter, the mount for the tripod, also high quality in metal, and of course the mini tripod itself, which is not that high quality. And of course, and most importantly, the USB Type A to USB Type B cable. And when putting it all together, it looks kinda like this. If you are interested on this mic or have any further questions, you can always DM us on Instagram or write us an email. All this video was recorded with this microphone, so if you liked how it sounds, you can buy it from the links down below. And don't forget to tell me if you liked it, and leave a like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.